Whoa! We all love the Brightline train, but this happened right in our backyard in our community of West Palm Beach. You see, in looking at the video, I'm looking to see what the car had guiding its actions. And when I'm looking at this video, I don't see either a traffic light or a gate arm that was down. In fact, it looks like the car had nothing stopping it from going right in front of the train. So in my opinion, there's a case here because there was nothing stopping the car from going in front of that train.